when you're doing vocal stacking and vocal production, it's just adding these different layers. It's kind of incorporating the same concept as Supersaw, right? Where it's like, you know, like with Supersaw, you're trying to like get as many complementary harmonics into one space as possible, make them sound tight and big and full. That's kind of what vocal dubbing is, right? It's just you're putting different layers of yourself in there to kind of help fill that space and make it sound big and full and pleasing, right? That's kind of the overall concept.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, to be like, I'm still learning so much about vocal processing. I mean, nowadays the standard of, you know, pop and the mainstream standard of vocal processing is just unbelievable. I mean, this was actually before this track was finished, just before I managed to get a whole set of new, when Black Friday came around, I got a whole set of new plugins as well. So I got the new Auto-Tune Pro and I got Vocaline, which has changed everything, because that's, yeah, and then obviously you got Melodyne. So the ideal way to do it, I think, is you get your main vocal and then you have dub and then you have your second dub and then you have another two dubs, but you sing them in a different way. So you sing them like nasally and then another one like kind of a bit deeper, and then you have your harmonies, harmony 1 left, harmony 1 right, harmony 2 left, harmony 2 right, and then you Melodyne each one, and then like, well, you Vocaline them first, then you Melodyne them, and then you Auto-Tune them, and that's what you're supposed to do. I did get a little bit lazy with this track, to be honest, because I just chucked the vocoder on it and I was like, that's fine.
What's up, DAW Nation? Hope you enjoyed this little quick tip video from our Biometrix in the DAW episode, which, by the way, if you want to check out the full episode, over here in the top right corner, a little tag or a little card or whatever they're called is going to be showing up right now, where you can click on that and check out the full episode. Also, there is a link down in the descriptions where you can check out the full episode as well. Also, if you want to keep seeing more content like this, where we invite huge music producers, they dissect their songs in real time, actually give you actionable advice with your music production, then go ahead, click the little subscribe button that's right below this video. Go ahead, hit it as hard as you want, as well as tick the little notification icon so that you get notified whenever we put out new pieces of content. We'd also love for you to hit the like button and comment below, because we'd love to know if this is the type of content that you actually want to see. Also, DAW Nation, I would highly encourage you to check back over here on the channel multiple times a week, because we are always releasing new content and we don't want you to miss any of it. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, leave an absolutely amazing comment down in the comment section. And with that being said, DAW Nation, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.